Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing about how to create a new Apple ID when you already have one. So you can actually cannot create multiple Apple IDs. So that is something that you cannot do and not allowed by Apple. So if you are looking for something like that, do not waste your time on creating multiple IDs because it is created on a single mail or and have a single identity. If still you want to create an Apple ID, head over to your, let's say, phone settings, and then you are going to be creating your Apple ID by creating, let's say, tap forgot password or don't have an Apple ID. Then you are going to be tapping on create a free Apple ID, and from there you are going to be following these simple steps to create your ID. Simple basic information will be asked and you can create your Apple ID. So that is it for this video, and I hope you got to learn something new. If you find this tutorial informative in any certain way, you can consider subscribing to our channel. That will be super helpful and highly appreciated. Comment down below and share with your friends. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.